Alright, look at example 3. Okay, a researcher wishes to estimate the number of days it takes an automobile dealer to sell a Chevrolet Aveo. Okay, a sample of 50 cars had a mean time on the dealer's lot of 54 days. Assume the population standard deviation to be 6 days. Find the best point estimate of the population mean and the 95% confidence interval of the population mean. Okay, so kat situ dia minta dua soalan. Okay, find the best point estimate of the population mean and the 95% confidence interval of the population mean. So from the question, okay, it gives us sample size which is n 50. Okay, and then sample mean it is 54. Okay, and the standard deviation is 6. Okay, so the best point estimate of the population mean. So we know that the best point of the population mean it is sample mean. So we know that the sample mean is 54. Okay, so this is the answer for the best point of the population mean. And then we need to find the 95% confidence interval of the population mean. Okay, so dia bagi 95%, we need to find the z value first. Okay, so the formula is 1 minus 0.95. Terus je buat macam ni, tak apa. Tak perlu lukis graph. Okay, no need to draw the graph. Okay, we know that 95% is 0.95. So the total area equals to 1. So 1 minus 0.95 divided by 2. Why divide 2? Because we need only the area in the right tail. Okay, so you calculate, you will get 0.025. So this is the alpha over 2. Okay, we need to find the z value. Okay, z value, this is the probability for indirect tail. So the z value is, then you have to use the table statistic 0.025 kat sini tadi. Okay, 1.96 kalau awak tengok pada table statistik awak, 1.96. So this is the z value. Okay, so and then this is the first step. You need to find the z value first. And then the second step you have to use the formula x bar plus minus z alpha over 2 times standard deviation divided by square root n. Okay, this is the formula to find the population mean. Okay, so we know that x bar is, sample mean is 54. Okay, boleh nampak tak? Okay, 54 plus minus z alpha over 2 which is 1.96. Okay, 1.96, z alpha over 2 1.96 times standard deviation which is 6 here divided by square root n. Square root n, we know that n is 50. Okay, okay, and then how to calculate? Okay, ikut saya First step, you have to calculate this one. 6 divided by square root 50. Calculate dulu yang ni. Calculate dulu yang ni. Yang lain jangan calculate lagi. You have to calculate one by one. 54 plus minus 1.96. This one. 6 divided by square root 50. You will get 0.8485. Okay, jangan calculate terus. Calculate one by one. Okay, 6 divide square root 50 which is 0.8485. And then times 1.96. Times 1.96. How do you get? You will get 1.66306. Okay, and then 54 plus, okay, plus dulu, 54 plus 1.66306, you will get 55.6631. Okay, you have to take the 4 decimal places. Okay, take 4 decimal places, and then after you have plus and after you have done plus, you have to minus 54 minus 1.66306. How do you get? You will get 52.3369. This one bukan divide ini, that means you have 2 answers. Okay, 54 plus 1.66, which is 55.6631. And then another one, 54 minus 1.66306, you will get 52.3369. So the last answer, kalau awak tengok pada formula, okay, tengok pada formula tu, dia ada interval kat tengah-tengah dia. Okay, ada interval. Okay, ada interval kat tengah-tengah, ada population mean. So this is, we call it as range value. So the range values for the population mean, okay, or we call it as interval. Okay, interval for the population mean. See, nilai yang kecil, this one 52, put on the left side. Dan nilai yang besar tak belah kanan. Okay, on the right side. Okay, so this is the answer, the last answer. Okay, you have to make it in the range value for population mean. So we know that this is the true mean for all the numbers of days it takes to sell a Chevrolet Aveo. Okay, this is the true mean, the population mean. Okay, boleh faham now? For the confidence interval there. Okay, by using the confidence interval yang dia bagi kat sini, 95% ni. Alright. Kalau tak faham, boleh tanya soal dalam WhatsApp. Okay. Alright, look at example 4. Okay, example 4, a survey of 30 adults found that the mean age of a person's primary vehicle is 5.6 years. Assuming the standard deviation of the population is 0.8 year, find the best point estimate of the population mean and the 99% confidence interval of the population mean. Okay, so the best point of the population mean is what? Okay, itu soalan first yang diminta. And then the second one is 99% confidence interval. So, sample size yang dibagi is 30 adults. Okay, and then sample mean is 5.6. Okay, and standard deviation of the population, it is 0.8. Okay, so we need to find the best point estimate of the population mean. Okay, we know that the best point, the population mean is sample mean, which is 5.6. Okay, and then second question is 99% confidence interval. Okay, find the 99% confidence interval of the population mean. So we know that 99% is 0.99. The first step, you have to find the Z value. So 1 minus 0.99. Okay, 1 is the total area. You have to minus dengan 0.99, 99% confidence interval, and then you have to divide it by 2. Okay, because we only need the right tail. Okay, the area in the right tail only. Okay, so you solve, you will get 0.005. Okay, so this is the area in the right tail. Okay, the area in the right tail kat sini, 0.05. Okay, so we need to find the Z value for the area 0.005. Okay, so using your table statistics. Okay, 0.005. 0.005. Okay, see this one kat sini. Okay, take the closest one. Okay, it is between 0.0. Okay, dia ada dua 0.00508. Another one 0.00494. Which one is the closest? Okay, kalau kat tengah ni adalah 0.005. Okay, dia tak ada yang tepat 0.05. So we have to take the closest one. So which one is the closest one? This one. Because dia punya difference dia adalah beza dia 6. Okay, kalau awak calculate beza dia 6. Okay, 494. Okay, kalau ini 508, dia beza dia banyak kat sini. 8 tak silap saya. So yang ni 6. So this is the closest one. Okay, you faham tak? So, kalau tak tahu macam mana nak tahu, awak minus 0.005 minus dengan yang ni. Okay, awak minus, awak akan dapat nilai dia. Okay, saya tak calculate kat sini. Okay, awak akan dapat nilai dia. Compare dengan ini, awak minus, awak akan dapat beza dia 8 kat sini. Tak silap saya, beza dia 6 kat sini. Okay, so awak calculate. Kalau yang ni, awak minus dengan ini 0.00508, awak minus ni, awak akan dapat beza dia 8. Kalau kat sini beza 6. Okay, 0.0006 tak silap saya. Okay, so this is the closest one, 0.00494. Okay, so the Z value for this one, the area 0.00494, it is 2.58. Okay, 2.58. Alright. .58. Okay, so this is Z value. And then second step, use formula x bar plus minus z alpha over 2 times standard deviation divided by square root n. Okay, use formula. Okay, and then we know that x bar is sample mean dia 5.6 plus minus z alpha over 2. Kita dah cari this one, which is 2.58. Okay, times standard deviation population, which is 0.8 divided by square root 30. Okay, so how to solve? Calculate one by one. This one first. 0.8 divide square root 30. How do you get? Okay, you will get 0.1461. Okay, and then times 2.58. Okay, 0.1461 times 2.58. How do you get? Okay, calculate now. You will get 0.3769. Okay, try calculate, dapat tak jawapan yang sama? Okay, and then 5.6 plus 0.3769. You will get 5.9769. And then another one, 5.6 minus 0.3769. You will get 5.2231. Okay, so the last answer, the population mean, okay, the interval for the population mean is, take the smaller, okay, the smaller one, which is 5.2231, put the left side. Okay, and then the biggest number, 5.9769 on the right side. Okay, so this is the last answer. Okay, the range value for the population mean. Okay, you faham dah? Tak faham boleh tanya dalam WhatsApp, okay?